In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the task list in Microsoft Loop. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Loop. From the results, choose the official Microsoft 365 page for Microsoft Loop. On the landing page, click Get Started with Loop. If you're not signed in yet, use your Microsoft account or create one if you need to. Signing in ensures your work is saved and ready to share. Inside Loop, you'll see your workspaces. Click. Create new workspace if you're starting fresh, or open an existing workspace to keep everything in one place. Workspaces act like containers for pages and components, so choose one that matches your project. On your page, add a clear title at the top. A descriptive title helps teammates instantly understand the purpose of the task list, like Q3 launch tasks or team to-dos. Next, click the plus icon to open the component picker. This is where you'll find Loop's building blocks. Scroll until you see task list, then select it. The task list appears as a simple table designed for accountability and progress tracking. Click into the first task field and type the task name. Keep task names actionable and specific so they're easy to understand at a glance. To assign ownership, click Assign To and pick a person from your organization or type to search. Assigning a task makes it clear who's driving it and helps keep momentum. Click Due date to choose a deadline. Use realistic dates and consider dependencies so timelines are achievable. If the task relates to a phase or stream of work, click Bucket. Buckets let you group tasks, for example, by sprint, feature, or department, which makes filtering and reviews easier. To add more items, click Add Task and repeat. Name the task, choose Assign To, set a due date, and select a bucket if you're using them. Keep a consistent naming pattern and fill in the key fields as you go. This reduces back and forth later and makes reporting simpler. When your list is in good shape, click Share. Decide who needs access and set the appropriate permissions so collaborators can view or edit the list. Sharing from here means everyone is working from the same live component, which updates in real time across Microsoft 365. That's it. You searched for Loop, opened the official page, got started and signed in, created or opened a workspace, titled your page, added a task list, entered tasks, assigned owners, set due dates, organized with buckets, added more tasks, and shared your work. Follow this flow whenever you spin up a new project, and your team will always know what's next and who's on point.